So hello again. So today we'll see why do we need platforms like Tableau to visualize our data. So let's look at the importance of data visualization. So when we try to read numbers, we may try to underestimate them by just looking at the small difference between the numbers or their mean or their average, median, or whatever statistics you pull out of them, but you are not able to properly digest that data. So an alternative to that is an image, or you can say graphs that we generate that are processed rapidly in your brain and in a more faster way. So now we look at the famous dinosaur problem that demonstrates perfectly that why the raw numbers can be misleading. So here we can see a few images, and this is the main dinosaur image. And one interesting thing about this is that the statistics of all these images is same. Like you can say the average, the median, the standard deviation, these things are same for all of these images. And still, when we draw all the points mentioned in the dataset, we get these different images for the same statistics for each and every image. So this is what I mean by that. And if you try to calculate these figures for each and every image that I shown in the previous one, the mean and standard deviation will be same for each and every image. So this is how we underestimate the data, and displaying their graphs and visualizing them can help us regain the meaningful insights and avoid any confusions. So this is the interface of Tableau. Here we can load our data, and in our data we can just drag and drop rows and columns into their respective places. So here I just drag the category, and if I want to analyze the profits, then I drop them in the rows. So here you can see we can see a bar graph, and we can automatically adjust it based on our requirements, that what type of visualization we want to see. And by default it is in the automatic mode. And suppose I want to arrange these by their order date, then here you can see. So this is a very basic example. Here we have another sheet, and we can analyze here that here we have category, and within the category we have categorized it as subcategories. So here we can have a look that here in the tables we can see that the table is having a profit in negative, means it is in loss, and it is driving the overall average of the furniture low. So these are some of the key insights that we can derive from our data that otherwise can't be imagined using the raw formats like in the Excel sheet. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching.